Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Pelican Base Creek 100X Angler. If you're looking forward to doing some kayak fishing, Pelican's reasonably priced Base Creek 100X Angler kayak is a safe bet. This 10-footer clocks in at 50 pounds, which is reasonable enough for a fishing kayak. It's every bit as maneuverable on land as it is on the water. It has a 325-pound capacity and storage space options that include a rear tank well, large front hatch, and a 4-inch dry storage hatch in the back. It's also equipped with 2 flush mount and 1 swivel rod holder, paddle tie down, and accessory eyelets. The multi-chine flat bottom hull provides excellent stability, ensuring a safe and steady ride. It gives you the balance you need when casting lines and reeling in fish while also making getting in and out of the kayak a breeze. The adjustable ErgoFit G2 seating system features thicker ergonomic padding for targeted cushioning and improved airflow. This one-of-a-kind manufacturing process enables us to include extra flotation inside the hulls of all of our sit-on tops in order to meet or exceed ABIC standards. The maximum capacity is 325 pounds. Don't worry, the additional scupper holes at the bottom of the kayak are completely safe and aid in the drainage of any excess water that may enter your watercraft. Along with a flat hull design, it provides you with peace of mind while riding. Our second best kayak for lakes is Pelican River Tandem Kayak. Pelican's River Gorge 130X Hard Shell Tandem is ideal for sharing your on-the-water adventures with a friend. This river kayak is designed for 2 people and is 13 feet long, not to mention heavy. However, with 2 paddlers, the 73-pound kayak should be manageable. It also has a 500-pound capacity, open cargo areas with bungee rigging, and 2 dry storage hatches. You might even be able to fit in a third passenger, such as a child or family pet, which is always a plus. The price is one potential disadvantage, but there are enough extras to compensate. Additional storage in this tandem kayak includes quick lock hatch and a tank well equipped with bungee cords. It's also equipped with molded footrests, 2 bottle holders and 4 accessory eyelets for your convenience. The twin-arched multi-chine hull offers excellent stability, giving you a secure and steady ride. It also makes it incredibly easy to get in and out of the kayak. This unique manufacturing process allows us to include additional flotation inside the hull of all of our sit-on tops in order to meet or surpass ABIC standards. Holds a maximum capacity of 500 pounds. Don't worry, the added scupper holes at the bottom of the kayak are completely safe and help drain any excess water that might get into your watercraft. Along with a flat hull type design, it ensures you peace of mind during your ride. Third choice in our list is Intex Challenger K2 Kayak. If you want something cheap and beginner-friendly, the Challenger K2 might be what a beginner kayaking duo needs to get a taste of the action. This gem of an inflatable kayak is not only super cheap, it has a 400-pound capacity, weighs only 33.5 pounds, and is easy to transport and store. Plus, it includes a pump, a detachable skeg, 2 paddles, and a carry bag, although the latter doesn't seem very promising. There's nothing mind-blowing about this 11.5-foot 2-person kayak, except maybe for the sporty graphics. It's your typical Intex inflatable, designed with 2 separate chambers and an I-beam floor. The semi-enclosed cockpit gets rather hot during the summer, when you're most likely to use this lake kayak. The bright green color and sporty graphics make the kayak highly visible in the water. 2 86-inch aluminum paddles and an Intex high-output pump for easy inflation and deflation. Made of company's rugged, super tough vinyl that's puncture and UV damage resistant for long-term durability. Number 4 in our side is Intex Explorer K2. The first is the Explorer K2, a low-cost tandem kayak that demonstrates Intex's continued dominance in the low-cost inflatable kayak market. This 10-foot banana-shaped kayak is a simple but functional option for families with children who want to try lake kayaking. It has a 3-chamber vinyl hull, an I-beam floor, inflatable seats, a removable skeg, and everything you need to get started. Although it weighs only 30.6 pounds, it has a load capacity of 400 pounds. When it comes to low-cost inflatable tandem kayaks for lakes, the Explorer K2, while only suitable for occasional outings, is a more than adequate option. Comfortable for anyone kayak includes an adjustable inflatable seat with backrest, cockpit designed for comfort and space. Inflated size 10 feet 3 by 3 feet by 1 feet 8 inch, maximum weight capacity, 400 pounds. Directional stability removable skeg for directional stability. Increased visibility in case of emergency, bright yellow color helps visibility. Made for smaller bodies of water. Explorer K2 is made for smaller bodies of water including lakes and mild rivers. For details, let's watch more. Last in our top 5 best kayak for lakes list is Perception Tribe 9.5. The ultra-stable, yet quick and playful performance of the Perception Tribe series of versatile sit-on-top kayaks distinguishes them. The boat's do-it-all design makes quick work of any flat water you can find, including coastal bays and beaches with light waves. It's a tried-and-true favorite that inspires skills and confidence and has introduced many people to a whole new way of staying active. The Tribe goes above and beyond in terms of comfort, with thick ventilated ergonomic padding and an adjustable seatback for personalized support. The Tribe is tough and low maintenance, thanks to Perception's legendary one-piece roto-molded high-tech polymer construction, which provides superior UV, impact, and abrasion resistance. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.